I'm going to put this on the news. This is going to be on the news. Look at the fucking police allowing it. Look at it.